This is an X-ray of a dislocated acromioclavicular joint which will be repaired arthroscopically. We are looking into the subacromial space and we will be working towards the base of the coracoid. The soft tissues are removed to expose the coracoid bone. And now we are beginning to see the undersurface of the coracoid where the Tightrope device will be introduced. A special guide is introduced, followed by a pin which is coming through the clavicle and the coracoid. A drill is passed through, and through that a special wire will allow the Tightrope device to come through with the button introduced under the base of the coracoid. Following that, the clavicle can be reduced, as can be shown on the post-operative X-ray.